Okay, let's look at the condition. Normally we're talking about the decision making. So one of them happen to be if. So let's say you can say 7 is greater than 4. Okay, then say true. Okay, if 7 is less than 4, we know that's not true. We call it as a false. So these are the Boolean data type. So we can use greater than, less than. Of course, we can use greater than or equal to 4. Of course, that will be true. Okay. Also, we can use less than equal to, that is false. We can use equal to, which is false. Not equal to, look at the symbol, which is true. So if we say x equal to 3, then you like to compare whether x is greater than or equal to 1 and less than or equal to 5, which is true because it's middle. Okay, so let's change. What if we change x to be number 10? That is not going to be this range, it will be outside here. So it's false. Okay, so this is simple decision making. You can use if. This is comparison operator, greater than or less than, not equal to. You can use equal signs together as well. Something like this one is here. Okay, here is greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Okay, of course you can use the variable x equal to 7 and y equal to 4. You can compare with x and y. The answer is going to be same. Okay, true, because x is 7 greater than 4. That is true. That's all. Thank you.